is Putrina Shifa binti Azman. You can call me Putri. I live in Kampung Baru Merbok. My hobby is shopping. The next video I will to show you my video about shopping. Thank you. That's all. Bye.
Hello Putri, you are so beautiful. Nice knowing you. My name is Surubadi Syariati and I am from SMKGC. My hobby is baking. At the next video, I will talk about baking. Goodbye, see you.
Mana muka yang cantik.
Today
Hari juga Syah.
I at Bini Mall. I promise with you I want to show you video about shopping. So today I will show you. Okay, bye. Aci, I'm with Aziz, my brother.
Yang aku tak tanya.
Tiga spinner.